Midtown is one of Detroit's most poppin' neighborhoods. It's a walkable area home to a variety of restaurants and shops, with cultural, educational, and medical institutions sprinkled throughout. La Feria offers authentic, fresh Spanish tapas. Whether you're in the mood for meat, seafood, veggies, or a little bit of everything, La Feria is the spot. Their small plates are perfect for sharing, and you can't go wrong with a pitcher of sangria. Hey guys, we're here today with Elias Khalil, and he's the owner of La Feria. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Thank you so much for, sitting down with us. I am a little familiar with Spanish cuisine, but not as familiar as I will be after this episode.
Okay.
So what's behind La Feria?
La Feria is named after Feria de Abril, which is the April Fair or festival that occurs in Seville, Spain. It's a week-long festival similar to Mardi Gras or Carnival, and it's a celebration of the arrival of springtime. We commemorate it once a year here on the Saturday of the same week that it's celebrated in Spain.
So tapas, you guys are known for the tapas. Tell us a little bit about that, because I know some people might not know exactly what that means.
Sure. In Spain, one of the legends says that, you went to a bar, you ordered a glass of wine, you ordered a beer, and typically in southern Spain, it's quite hot. So you don't want any flies flying into your glass. So they would take the cazuela, this is called a cazuela, with tapas, and stick it on top of your glass. Tapa is to cover or to top off a glass. So that's where the word tapas comes from.
That's awesome. It smells amazing. What do we have here? I see shrimp, I see some mushrooms, stuffed mushrooms. That's directly where I can go.
Spanish cuisine in general lends itself to every type of eater, whether you're vegetarian, vegan, a carnivore, a pescatarian. Spain has it all. So what we have in front of us are champiñones and salsa verde, which are cremini mushroom caps that we put on the grill, and then we stuff them with house-based parsley pesto that we make every morning.
I'm going for these shrooms. Mushrooms.
You can go on shrooms. Next we have the gambas al ajillo, which is one of the most popular tapas in Spain. And it's shrimp pan-seared in olive oil, minced garlic, and red chili pepper flakes. It is by far our #1 seller here in the restaurant.
Good.
It's very good. After that, we have almendras tostadas, which are toasted almonds. In Spain, there's a very popular almond called the Marcona almond, and they're very typical to have served at a bar when you're just,
See, I could just probably drink and eat that, just snack on that the whole time I'm there.
Exactly.
Even after I've eaten an entree. Give me those. Can I have those almonds, please, so I can just, And what's this, potatoes?
And that is patatas bravas. That's Spain's version of French fries. So all of our tapas are traditional. We don't do innovative fusion tapas. They are based off of recipes from Pilar's mom or grandmother. And that's what, makes it so, fulfilling for people when they come in here, because they know they're getting home-cooked meals.
They get authentic dishes.
Exactly.
Okay, you guys, we are here with Pilar Baron, and she is the head chef and also co-owner of La Feria. She is going to show us some of her mother's recipes and just traditional way of cooking and why it is so delicious.
So we're gonna start with pisto manchego. We're gonna put some veggies here. We're gonna do some garlic, of course. Peppers, eggplant, carrot, onion, zucchini.
Okay, so
a
it's
little
like
bit
a mix.
Yes.
Okay.
So tomato sauce. They have garlic, oregano. With or without egg, but in Spain it's always with eggs.
Oh,
we love
okay.
eggs.
All right.
So in Spain usually, we have the whole pan with a lot of olive oil. And we just put the egg on top. A little bit of salt. A little bit more oregano. And that's it.
I see that you've got some cocktails here. I automatically recognize the sangria. So it's a darker sangria, it looks.
It is a dark sangria. This is a family recipe. The reason why it's darker is because we let it marinate at least 24 hours before we serve it. A couple other things. We have manzanilla, which is a dry sherry that is great before or after your meal just to sip on. It is actually the drink of choice for Feria, the festival in Sevilla. If you're not a fan of drinking liquor straight, the mixed drink based off of the manzanilla
would
is
be
this,
these here,
which is called rebujito.
Can we taste this?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. It's really good. What is that? What did you mix it with?
I mixed it with Squirt. So in Spain they have a version of Squirt or Sprite. And so we couldn't get the Spanish version, but it works really well with Squirt.
It's like it's refreshing. So yeah, we'll definitely have to come back here and check it out. Thank you so much.
Oh, it was my pleasure. Thank you.
Inviting us into your amazing space.
Anytime.
Yes,
every day.
Every day. We're gonna come back again and again and again. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please check us out next time here on Eats in the D. Do me a favor and make sure you visit our YouTube channel, Visit Detroit, and also make sure you subscribe and check us out on Facebook and follow us as well. See you next time.